Hi, this is Kayye. We're here at InfoComm 2016, and here's my annual interview with TJ Adams, TJ of QSC. Good morning, TJ. How are you?
Good morning. I'm doing great. How are you doing, Gary?
First day of the show, Director of Product Development for the QSC line.
That's right. Yeah.
You had a great show so far?
Well, you can see it back there. It's busy as heck, but yeah, we've been doing great.
Yeah, well, and also I got a chance to meet Chris Humphrey. Chris Humphrey is the Director of Marketing.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Good to meet you as well. Well, I want to first start with you, TJ. It's been a year since you kind of transitioned your entire organization to, well, I shouldn't say transition, added an entire market to your organization.
Basically, yes.
How's it going so far?
It's been amazing. Our revenues are up. Our business is going really well. It's only been 2 years since we split the business units, and now we're really focused on corporate, and we have our other business units that are doing their thing with cinema and the pro side of things. So it's doing really well. And this year we're keeping our promise. We said it was more than a DSP. We came out with the Core 110 last year, and QSC being a software platform. This year we've delivered on that message again with the fact that we have cameras, IP streaming cameras, and the ability to do all of that in the same software layer for USB to audio bridging and video bridging. So that's what our message is for the show this year.
Yeah, and you're obviously focused on sort of helping people build better meeting room products and build better meeting rooms through your technology. Chris, where do you see the future of this? I mean, as a marketing person, you're got to be constantly focused on not just the branding of the company, but also what direction you think the company should go in the future. What kind of glimpses of that can you give us today?
We're gonna, Gary, we're gonna keep paying off on our promise to have a flexible software-based DSP platform, adding new features and capabilities, making it in a way future-proof for our customers. And the other piece we're focusing on is making sure all of our audiences, whether it's the end user, the installer, the designer, we're designing solutions that meet all of their needs and solve their pain points. So if customers get a chance to come look at our booth and see some of our products, we have 10 new speakers we're launching, new amplifiers. As TJ mentioned, a new AV to USB bridging platform. Each one of those solutions solves problems for each one of those customers. So we're excited about that.
Well, if you don't get a chance to walk the entire booth, you can just type in QSC in our video search window right there on the screen. You can see all the individual videos we shot. But I'm gonna get a little tougher on my questions now because Chris just said that you're gonna try to have products to solve all the problems in the meeting room market. Then that means you got to address video.
That's right. That's right. Well, we have partly in the form of the camera, but keep watching us. We're working on some cool stuff that I can't tell you about.
But at least we know the glimpse of the future.
Yeah. Think about the boardroom or a large meeting room space, even in a classroom. We know we have to do video distribution. We know we have to do cameras and lecture capture and video distribution and echo canceling and all of those things that make a full solution. And we're doing that differently. We're doing that in the software platform rather than little boxes.
Right.
Really, that's the difference.
And also you guys have a history of partnering with companies. So I suspect some of that will be not your own product, but partnering with other companies that already have that expertise in building better system products.
Yeah, QSC's always been about innovation in-house, but capturing value from best-of-class partners out there in the world. So we embrace open innovation to bring really breakthrough products and solutions to our customers.
In fact, our friends at Shure really helped us out this year. We are doing streaming over AS67, which is a technology that QSC's been backing for their new microarray. So if you look in our conference room, mock-up conference rooms, we have 2 of their MXA ceiling arrays, and we're integrating that directly into QSC, and we're software controlling it. So to your point, we do have some really good partners out there that we're going to leverage.
And everybody wants to solve the audio microphone problem in a meeting room.
Yes.
They do, yeah.
So I think instead of reinventing the wheel, you're using a company that is a microphone company.
We're not going to get into microphones anytime soon. That's for sure.
It's a perfect example. Perfect example. Yeah.
I agree with you. So if I only had 2 minutes to go through your booth, what should I absolutely see? What's the product that you have to see here at InfoComm?
I would say get into one of our demo conference rooms and just check out how we do AV bridging. That concept's been around for a while, but we really are solving a lot of the problems and pain points that we heard in our market research with our integrator friends, and we think we've really solved that problem. So if there's an integrator out there looking around and wanting to integrate soft codecs into a conference room, we think we're second to none. We have the best platform out there for it now.
Right, and obviously that's becoming a big trend.
Yes.
People are just wanting to plug a web camera in and do conferencing that way rather than large hardware-based codec systems.
Right.
So that's definitely an area that I think needs some help in the industry. So congratulations on everything. It's not easy to jump into a new market, although you do have a good brand behind you. I mean, QSC has, even though they weren't in the install market before, everybody knew who they were.
Right.
And it's likely that a lot of them use the products in large install applications. So I think I think the branding probably helped out quite a bit.
Yeah, it does. Sure,
so
thank you.
Congratulations on everything, and of course you can see all the videos we shot here today by just typing in QSC in the video search window. And if they don't show up yet, it just means that they haven't been uploaded, but they'll be uploaded certainly by Friday morning. So keep checking back, and of course you can check out all their products at QSC.com.